Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have another AP Precalculus type of a question for you from the topic of exponential function context and the data modeling. So let's solve it together. An urban bike rental service tracks the number of rentals each month. Which model best describes the increasing trend in bike rentals? T is in terms of months, and B, the function B of T is rentals. The months are from starting 0 through 4. It goes on until 4. And the functions are 100 through 286. So the best strategy to solve this kind of questions is that to just substitute given values. So when you substitute 0 for t, we're supposed to get 100. If you will just apply this into these choices, when you substitute 0 for t, you get 100 on the choice A. When you substitute 0 here, this 1.3 to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 times 100 is 100. And 1.5 to the power of 0 is 1 still, times it by 100 gives you 100. 130 times 0 is 0, so therefore D cannot be the answer. And now we're going to substitute 1. So when you substitute 1 for the t, we're supposed to get 130. So 30 times 1 is 30 plus 100 is 130. And 1.3 times to the power of 1 is 1.3 times 100 is 130. 1.5 to the power of 1 is 1.5 times 100 is 150, which is not 130. Therefore, I will go ahead and eliminate the choice C as well. So now, in the second step, when you substitute 2 for the t, you're supposed to get 169. So 130 times 2 is 61 plus 100 is 160, not 169. Therefore, we will eliminate this choice as well. So 1.3 to the power of 2 is 1.69 times 100 is 169. 169, which is exactly what we're looking for. Therefore, the answer should be the choice B for the specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.